Hello guys, so today we're gonna solve the concatenation of the array. Well, basically the problem are asking us to duplicate the given array twice and return the result. Well, what does it mean? Let's say the given array is 2, 4, 5, right? With the length 3. So the expected output will be 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. As we can see it here, the result will have length 2 multiplied by n. There is so many ways to solve this problem. However, I'm gonna focus on brute force solution and single iteration. For the brute force solution, we can just simply looping it twice, like this. When e is 0, right? Then, because you are being asked to duplicate the array twice, it will be less than 2, then e plus plus. After that, we look through all of the number, right? Result.push none. Return the result. Let's do the analysis for the time and space complexity. This, because it's looping it smaller than 2, it will be O2 time. And this, we look through the given array, right? It will be On time, where the n is the length of the array. And this will be On space. Well, actually, because we are looping it twice, it will be actually O2 multiply by n as well. So the brute force solution will have On time and On space time complexity. Why? Why not the O2n time and O2n space? Well, because in O notation, O2n is same with On. That's why 2 is being ignored. So for the brute force solution, it's gonna have the On time and On space. And how about for the single iteration? Well, let me show you how does it work. First, we're gonna get the length, right? Then after that, we create a new result. It will be new array 2 multiply by n dot fill. Now, then for let e is 0, e is smaller than n, then e plus plus. We can just do this. Result e is times e. Then result e plus n is times e as well. Then we just return the result. Well, okay, now how do I know if the code are working? Let me show you how the diagram works. Let's say the given input is 2, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means the n will be 4. When the e is 0, the result index 0 will be nums 0, that is 2. Result index 0 plus 4 will be nums index 0 as well, which is 2 as well. So when the e is 0, the result will be looks like this. 2, now, then 2 again, now and now. Okay, so when the e is 1, how does it work? It will be like this. will be nums 1, which is 3 and 3. Then the result will be 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3 now, 2, 3, no. Okay. And when the E is 2, it will be this one is 4 because the index 2 is 4, right? It will be 2, 3, 4, then 2, 3, 4. When the E is 3, this one will be 5, this one will be 5, and this will be nums index 3. And this one is also 5, this one is also 5. Okay, I think like this. We're gonna exit the looping, then return the result, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, is it working? Yay! See? Before that, we're gonna do the analysis. This will be O2 and space or equal to O and space, because all notations ignore constant. And this will be O in time. So for the single iteration, we also have linear time complexity. Okay, let's do submit. Okay. It works. See, O in time and O in space. I think that's all from me. See you tomorrow.